Ona thengia ya cira uria uhanditwo igoti-ini ugitetia mutaratara mweru wa githomo wa CBC, thirikari yugite ni hariirie kung'ethanira na aria marendekithia mutaratara uyu gukorwo giteanirio. Akiaria hindi ya kigomano kia mwaka kia urumwe wa mabururi, Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni ateteire mutaratara uyu, akiuga ni uguthondeka andu mari na ikiro cia iguru mawira-ini ngurani guku bururi-ini.
We have also delivered a national competency-based curriculum and on universal access to schooling, which will further boost the competitiveness of our workforce.
Maya mokete uria wari mwandiki munene ngwataniro-ini ya arutani NAT na ningi no mubunge wa guthukio Wilson Sosion atwarite riendekithia thiini wa bunge ya bururi akienda mutaratara uyu guteanirio akigweta itumi ngurani.
Implementation of CBC was hurriedly undertaken while the majority of teachers were not sufficiently trained in CBC content and teaching methods.
Kuhitukira kamiti ya bunge igi githomo na uthuthuria, Sosion ni endekithitie mutaratara uyu kurugamio na arutwo gukorwo magicokerera mutaratara wa githomo wa 844.
3. Honorable Speaker, to recommend for accountability and action to be taken against the state officers and individuals for their susceptible actions through investigations and prosecutions for the current failure and mess of the curriculum.
Riendekithia riri ritinaga kuguciriria mawoni kuma kuri abunge amwe makioneka kwaga kunyita mbaru riendekithia riri.
These people now trying to challenge a system need to know that there are children who have gone through 5 years of a new education system. Don't know whether they intend that this should now be reversed and they go back to standard 1 of the 844, which has been discarded. So, I mean, there are some things that we need to think in a greater public interest.
Ona kuhanora uguo Speaker wa bunge Justin Muturi augite ende kuheana mwerekera o wothe kuri kamiti ya bunge igie githomo, akiuga mendekithia maria maririirio ni Sosion maya kuringana na cira uria wandikithitio igoti-ini ugitetia mutaratara uyu wa githomo.
There's a possibility if we refer this petition as it is to the committee will be calling state officers or public officers who might actually just frustrate the committee by saying, simple, that I'm not going to say this because it is the same thing that the court is expecting, and I don't know whether if I diverge what I have to say, it's going to affect the fair determination of the matter in court.
Kuhitukira President wa kiama kia mawakiri guku bururi-ini Nelson Havi, muciari umwe ni andikithitie cira igoti-ini akienda mutaratara uyu guteanirio kuona andu agereirio mitaratara iria yagereire mbere ya kurugurio mathukuru-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Gitagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.